Hey, what's going on YouTube? Chris back with another exciting video. This I'm very happy about. One, because of the product. Two is because it is something that I'm going to need, I'm going to use, and you guys will benefit because you'll be able to see what I can also produce with it. So this is a Xacti portable carbon fiber slider for your camera. So this is going to allow you to get those cool smooth B-roll shots and things like that. Portable. Picked it up on Amazon, about 43 bucks or so. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Comes in this nice nifty carrying case, which is always a plus. No branding actually on the case, so that's kind of nice actually. No need to worry about any of that. This is about 16 inches long total length. So we get a instructions product manual. Things are in Chinese and in English, so that's always a plus. I have unboxed a Xacti product before, which is the tripod, which I now use on a daily basis because if you haven't checked out that video, I highly recommend it. So here is the slider itself, a lot smaller than I was expecting. I was expecting it maybe to extend out or something. So we have basically these aluminum billet type blocks on both sides here. Very lightweight actually, and then you have carbon fiber tubes down the center. This isn't like wrapped or anything like that, so it has, you can definitely kind of feel that it is carbon fiber. And then it also has these feet that are adjustable that we're going to screw in here in just a moment. I'll be right back and we'll take a look at that. Alright, so the feet are now on. These are adjustable, so you can unscrew part of this and then this red piece can screw independently, so that way if you wanted to have a slight angle or if your ground wasn't level, which talking about levels, there's one here, that way you can tell that it is level there, and that's it. So yeah, very sturdy construction, not heavy. You do have your the screw here, which you can have between, they do have a 1/4 quarter inch, and there's also a 3/8 as well. So you, depending on your camera or your setup, you're going to have access for both of those. So we have sturdy solid rubber feet on here, it's not moving around, and then you're also your tension screw right here on the side, and you're able to slide that very easily or tighten it down a little bit. Obviously you don't want it in that smooth, very smooth actually. This is my first slider and I'm excited to be able to use this actually for more shots, things like that. Here are the rollers, as you can see there. Very smooth, and this just locks down so it doesn't move. It's a good feel. This can be mounted on a tripod from down here. As you can see, they have two different sizes, so depending on the screw type that you mount on, you'd be able to mount a DSLR camera, cell phone type holder on it. Holds up to like 16 pounds or something like that, so no issues there. So very small, very compact, fairly affordable for the size, build quality, things like that. 43 bucks. So let's go ahead and test out a shot and see how it works and how it looks on camera.